Hi guys, welcome back to our channel How Logical. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to download or install Banktivity app in your device. First of all, go to your app store, then search Banktivity. Banktivity is a personal finance management software designed for iOS devices. Now you can see Banktivity by Proactive Money Management. Tap on it, then press the install button. It might take a while to install the app depending upon your internet speed. Once the app has been installed, open Banktivity app to help you with your personal finance management. This was for today's video. If you guys find our video helpful, please leave a like and comment. And do not forget to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. I'll see you guys again in our next video. Thank you.